Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute 1 question answer series, our today's question is: if a welder deposited 12 thick weld with 3 layers on a 16 thick test coupon during qualification test, what is the maximum thickness is he qualified to weld? So this is a very straightforward and simple question. The welder has deposited 12 thick welding, and we want to know the maximum thickness of weld which he can do at the job. So it is 12 into 2 24 mm. How? It is given in table QW 452.1b of ASME section 9, and I have explained this table earlier in my videos also. You can watch my previous videos to understand the table. For the timing, let me tell you that it is 2T, means 2T is the qualification range, means whatever amount of weld deposit he has done during his qualification test, twice of that thickness will be he qualified. Means here in the question he has done 12 thick welding, so 2 into 12, that is 24 is the maximum qualification, maximum thickness which he can do welding. Now there is one exception, that if the welder has done 13 or more thick welding with 3 layers, then he can be qualified for unlimited thickness. So I've explained the meaning of only unlimited thickness also in my earlier videos. You can go and watch those videos. And I have one question for you, and that question is: if a welder deposited 16 thick weld with 4 layers on a 20 thick test coupon during the qualification test, what is the maximum thickness he is qualified to weld? So now the welder has deposited 16 thick welding, and for 16 thick welding he has done 4 layers. Now what will be the qualification range for this welder? Please write the answer in the comment box. If you have any question, any doubt about this, then you can watch my previous videos on welder qualification thickness, where in those videos I have explained. And in fact this question is available on my website also. There you can visit the website and you can know the answer, or you can understand the answer also. So friends, if you have still not joined my channel, my humble request to you is please join my channel. It is very simple and very easy and very economical for you. So please join my channel and support my initiative financially. And we have come to an end of our today's video. Hopefully you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.